Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus WordPress. Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace, perfect for personal organization, team collaboration, and knowledge management, offering a flexible canvas for notes, tasks, and databases. WordPress, on the other hand, is primarily a robust content management system, ideal for building websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores. We'll explore their distinct strengths and weaknesses to guide your decision, ensuring you pick the platform that best aligns with your specific needs and goals. Notion shines as a productivity powerhouse, offering tools for project management, note-taking, and building intricate wikis. It's fantastic for internal team collaboration and personal organization, allowing you to connect information seamlessly. WordPress, conversely, is the go-to for establishing an online presence. It's built for publishing articles, showcasing portfolios, and running online shops, with millions of websites powered by its robust blogging and site-building capabilities. Each platform serves a distinct primary purpose. When it comes to customization, Notion offers a highly flexible block-based system, allowing you to tailor pages and databases with various properties and views. It's incredibly adaptable for internal workflows. WordPress, however, provides a vast ecosystem of thousands of themes and plugins, enabling virtually limitless design and functionality options, from e-commerce to forums. While Notion's customization is intuitive, WordPress offers deeper, more technical control, often requiring some coding knowledge for advanced modifications. Regarding pricing, Notion provides a generous free personal plan, with team plans typically starting at around $8 per user per month, offering predictable costs. WordPress, the software itself, is free and open source, but you'll need to factor in hosting, which can vary from a few dollars to hundreds monthly, plus potential costs for premium themes and plugins. Notion scales efficiently for internal organizational growth, whereas WordPress is designed to scale for massive public web traffic and complex online functionalities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.